Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about June 2020. June 2020. Uh, um, for zodiac Aquarius. Yes. Now I'm going to start this reading. Okay. What's for my dear Aquarius in June 2020? What's for my dear Aquarius in June 2020? What is going to happen for Aquarius 2020? Okay. At the bottom of the deck, you have the card of Six of Swords. That it's mean that you are coming from the bad period of your of your life. You are coming out of it. Yes. What can I see over here? That you can see that this man is having the pentacles or some kind of coins in his pocket or something. He is coming out of it with something that is precious to him, and also that woman, she had something in that box that is precious to her, and she is holding her, and you can see her eyes are closed, and she is thinking about something or praying. Yes, that's for you. And this sign over here is for sun sign, sign. Yes. And your first card is Ten of Swords. Someone had betrayed you, someone had deceived you, and someone uh, had backstabbed you. Yes, they had done something bad to you, very bad thing. Now you are in a very sad mood. You're heartbroken. Yes, and yes, someone had tell you something, some lie about something. They don't tell you the truth. They had tell you something bad, something some lie about something, and that's give you the, that's not good for you, and they are cutting you from someone else, from your own self. Now you are going to cut them out from your life. They had deceived you, they have backstabbed you, and you are going to cut them because you know that they are not good for you. They are um, harmful to you. They are dangerous to you. They are not telling you the lie. That's why you are going to cut them out from your life. Yes, you are going to leave them where they are, and going towards something else, moving towards other direction. Okay, they are moving towards other direction. Yes. What else, my dear Aquarius, have got in June 2020? What else for my dear Aquarius? Yes, now you are the wise person. You are the high priestess, and you are the wise person. Maybe you are a woman or some or lady. It's not that you always a lady, but this is also a man. But I think some lady have to listen to this reading. That is good for them, and something is happening in 3 days or 6 days or 6 date or 3 date of month. That is what I am getting from here. 3 or 6 months, 6 days, or 3 date. uh, I want to see what it is about. Yes. Yes, you have here the sign of Petru, Lord Cup. Uncertain meaning, mystery, hidden things. Something is hidden over here. Something you don't know, but something is hiding from you. they are hiding something from you. They are telling you the lie about something and hiding something from you. Now you are going to see that thing in this light of this moon. And now you are going to see, you have the knowledge, you have the book, you know all the thing, that what is going in between you and them, what are they hiding from you. Well, you are the wisest person. You know them, you know all the things. Three moons and femininity, and what else? Femininity is something hidden, mysterious, and weeping woman. Yes, you are now weeping because they had backstabbed you. Maybe they had someone else in their life with you, and they are not telling you. They had lied to you about something, about their payment or something. There's something over here, and now you are fed up with these situations. You are going to leave them. Yes, you are going to leave them. You are going to break their home, because when you left, whenever you left them, their home is going to break. And now you are going to punish them, because they had done you something bad. They are not telling you the truth, and now you are in most power, more angrier than ever. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Four of the Cups. That is also Cancer card. Or you are here is not happy with them. You are thinking about something else, about your freedom, about the truth, about anything else, but not them. You are fed up from them. You don't want them in your life. You want to leave them. You want to go towards your happiness, towards your towards whatever you have in your life. uh, um, you have at the bottom of the deck most of the burden, most of stress, thinking about something thoroughly, and having a problem with something. Yes, you are taking the burden with you. These all things are on your shoulders. You are going to do whatever you are going to do now. This is all on your shoulders. This is all on you. And you are thinking this is very, very stressful to you. Yes, you are leaving someone, or someone had left you. Someone had betrayed you. Someone had left you in cold, in dark, in rainy days, and in the danger, in the whole wide world, alone. You don't want to be like this. You are very sad over here, very, very sad. Someone is with you, someone is holding you, someone is helping you over there, but you are very desperate. uh, yes, you need strength over here. Someone is giving you this strength. Someone is holding you over here. Someone is with you. Maybe they are your parents, your sister, brother, or it's from the universe, from Allah. You have the strength. Look how this lady is holding that lion, and this lion had this whole world in his paw. Okay, she is holding him. What else for my dear Aquarius in June 2020? Yes. Now you have many restrictions about something, about your love life or something, and you want to break them. Someone is telling you that this is not good, that you have to leave them. You are not be able to leave them. This is not the good idea to leave them. What are you going to do? You don't know anything. How do you survive? Someone is telling you these all things. You are restricted to be with them, to live with them. This is because of the world, because of the society, because of your parents or your relatives. They are telling you that this is not good for you. This is not the way to treat anyone. Um, but you still want them to leave. You can see that this is the Eight of Cups, and this is the card of leaving someone. You are not listening to them. You just want them to leave them. Yes, you just want to leave them. There is nothing left for you. The whole plate is empty. They have had left you nothing over here. Yes, and you had much more from them. Many bad things. You want to cut them from your life. They is like you the crab. They had cut your fingers. They had done you some bad things, and now you don't like to be with them. You want to leave them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, and your wish is to leave them. This is the eight cornered star, and the star is for wishes to become true, and you want to leave them. This is your whole wish, to leave them. You don't want to be with them anymore. Yes, you are restricted to be with them, but you don't want to be with them. And for some persons, you want to live with them, but you are restricted to leave them, because the others are thinking that this is not good for you. This is not the way to live with someone. They had betrayed you. They steal something from you, and now others are telling you that you have to leave them. And for someone and for some persons, others are restricted them don't leave them. Yes, you are going to leave them because you are very much restricted over them. Yes, because of them you are very much restricted. Don't do this, don't go over there. Why are you spending my money like this? What are you going to cook now? Or why are you out at late night? Who are you with them? For men's or women's, both of you, they're restricting you very much, very very much. And now you are deceived by them. They are restricting you, and they are doing these all things with someone other, someone else. They are doing these things with them while they are restricted you, and at the same time they are doing these things, meeting someone else, spending time with someone else, having their own freedom, their own life, enjoying them. They are doing this. Now maybe you are thinking to deceive them, to steal from them, or something you are thinking over here. You want to give them as it is they are giving to you. I think that now you are going to rest. You are going to leave them. You are leaving all the stress over here. You want to leave that thing. You want to give that stress to them. Yes, you want the judgment. You want something to be happen from universe to them. You want something from universe. You're telling the universe that you have done everything for them, and they have betrayed you. They have done nothing for you, and now this is something you want from the universe. You want universe to betray them. You want universe to give them the bad things, to done the bad things to them that they had done to you. Now you want this justice, and this is for you here, the justice. Okay, if you are doing the right thing, you have this corp for you, this food thing. And if you are doing the bad, this justice will give you this sword to cut their head. Okay, yes, there is justice for you. The universe had given you this justice. You are going to lie to them, to betray them. You are going to prepare for this. You are now able to give them as they do to you. You are doing to them as they do to you. You are giving it back to them, okay? Because they had done a bad thing to you, and now you are prepared to do something bad to them also. You're prepared for it. You have set your mind to do something bad to them. And now you have the King of Cups. Someone is loving, caring, thinking about someone, or maybe someone new is here for you. There is a crab. This is a card of Cancer. There is one more Cancer over here, and someone new is coming maybe towards your life. They are in love with you. They are maybe aged, or they are maybe your father or your father-in-law, someone. They are happy over here. Yes, some kind of change with this dolphin. I think if this is a dolphin, there's some kind of change is coming towards here. And with dolphin, this is your friend. This is your friend. They are giving you some kind of change. They are getting you out of this tension, I think that. Yes, they are giving you the time, like your teenage to your childhood. This is the energy of a childhood. This is not mature energy, but they are giving you this time, this peaceful time, this happy time, this enjoyable time. Look at how she is playing this guitar or violin, this violin, and enjoying it, and their friends are also enjoying this music with her. They are enjoying, they all are enjoying this time. They are giving you this time. They are your friend. They are your somebody that love you, your father, your anybody, okay? They are giving you this time. Yes, they are giving you the because of this bad time, something happened to you. You have to do something soon. You have to do it soon. And with this all thinking, all decision, all whatever you had done in this all chapter, or in this all reading, in this June, you are doing this. You are leaving them. You are going to betray them. You are don't thinking about them, and going to punish them, okay? And after that all things, you are very stressful. You are very break. You are very broken, with broken heart. Yes, and they are going to give you their time to mend you, to heal you, okay? And this is a Five of Wands. You are fighting with someone, or someone is fighting with you, or someone is making this fight. This is a fight over something. What is this about? Yes, you are fighting over that thing, that you are not liking them. You are not like them. You are not happy with them. You are not happy with this all situation. What has happened to you? You are also not happy with it. You are still thinking about that all that had happened to you, okay? And the Fool. You are fighting to others because they had restricted you, and that's why you are fighting them to let you do what you want to do. Let you have your freedom. Let you think that you want to. Let you do what you want to do. Yes, you are fighting here for your own freedom, for your own will. Yes. And there is the Three of Swords over here, and that means that you are heartbroken. Someone had betrayed you, the third party situation, and the crying wolf over here. in this snowy dark night, snowy dark night, the crying wolf, they are praying for you in the night towards Allah. Because whenever the wolf and dog is weeping now, that's mean that something is bad going to happen or had happened. That's yes. And this is your heart is burning, your heart is on the fire because of this all, because nobody is going to be with you, they all are restricted you. That's why you are so mournful, so unhappy, so sad that no one is going to help you. But there is someone is here who is with you, who is going to support you. Or maybe that someone is not live at that time, at this time, and their spirit is with you, uh, uh, their prayers are with you. Yes, you are once again having the burden time, you are having lots of burden. How I'm going to do this, how can I do this, how can I survive without them, what I am going to do without them. I am not spend time without them. I am never going to live like that. Yes, you are thinking about that things. Okay, now you have this judgment card. Something is happening from universe. Something is changing over here. Sometimes anything is changing over here for you. The universe had given you going to give you something. They are changing something over here. What is this about? Yes, they are giving you your free will. You want to be free, they are giving you your free will. Now you are going to be like a king. You are once again a passionate, free person. Whatever you want to do, all of the things are up to you now. The king of the wands, or like an emperor, they are uh, uh, all the responsibility is over their shoulders. You can see that there is the light coming out of from their shoulders. They are giving that light to their country, or whatever you say, that king had take care of their pupils. Okay, that is what all the burden is over you, is on your shoulders. You are able to do this. Yes, that now there is the Lover's card. Someone is in love with you, is giving you their love. They are giving you their love. You are going towards them with this rainbow bridge. You are going towards them. Your heart is lightning. The universe had listened to you, listened to your praise, listened to your crying and cry. Yes, and they had given you this glowing heart. The heart is full with love. I think there is someone else is here to give you, and you are thinking that you are not able to do this. You are stuck over here. That's all. This all is only the illusion that you are not stuck over here. You can fly. You can go wherever you want to go. You are not stuck over here. These all restrictions are from others, not from you. You are free. Whenever you want to fly, you want to fly. Whenever you want to go, you can go. This is all the illusions. Now you want to go towards your happy time, towards your childhood. You are thinking about it. Maybe you are going towards your father, or someone from your past life, that they are who love you. I think this king of cups are that person. Now here, maybe you are going to lie about something, or someone once again going to live with you. Maybe they are your lovers, they are your uh, father or partner, someone. What is going over here? Yes, someone who love you, they are going to lie to you about something, maybe for your own good. Yes, maybe about your own good, about your happy home life or something. They want you stress free, and that's why they are going to lie to you. They had no bad thinkings about you. They had only uh, they want only you to be happy. That's why they are lying to you. Okay, they are not bad for you. Okay, this lie is not for your bad, this is only for your good. Okay. Yes. And what is this? You are coming out of your bad time slowly, very slow energy over here, very slow movement. You can see over here that his face is uh, the expression of anger, expression of tiredness. They are tired of these things, they want to leave this. No, you are leaving this. Yes, you are stubborn to do this. You just want to leave them, that's all. You want to leave them. If someone had tell you that they are good for you, or you don't have to do this, please forgive them. You are not doing this, you are going to leave them. Yes. And you still thinking that you can't do this, but this is only the illusions. You can leave them. Your way is open. You can go towards that lover, that 10 of cups, that happy home life, that lovable home life, full of love home life. You can go towards that thing with someone else, with someone other. Yes, universe is giving you the chance. They are telling you, they are asking you to go towards your happy home life. Take a leap of leap of your faith towards your happiness. The universe will hold you. They will make your way. Okay. At the bottom of the deck you have the 3 of cups. Yes, over here the happy home life, the happy life. Some advice for you, my dear Aquarius, about their situation. Some advice. Yes, you deserve love, you are lovable. That's why universe had given you that chance. Soulmate, your soulmate is calling you. Yes, this is your soulmate. You are going towards your soulmate. This other person is your soulmate, and you are going towards them, and this is good for you. This is only the way to your happiness. Okay, leave the past, leave the previous person. They are not good for you. They are the toxic one, they are the dangerous, poisonous one, and the new person is good for you. You deserve love, and that's why the universe are giving to you this love. Yes. This is all for you for now, and I hope that you like this reading, and please like, share, subscribe, and see my all the videos. That is good for you, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye.